Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I will be unboxing. Actually, I already opened every single fidgets I got, and this is actually my first time testing these fidgets out. So I actually have actually this field it for our first video. My sister again. So yeah, but I'll be also sharing my reaction to you guys. Sorry, I was just eating my noodle. So I'm very excited, and first let's get into this. This is basically we just stretch it. It is pretty good. So I will also rating it. So I will probably rate this like 6 or 5. It is like very stretchy and really fun to play, and we can bring this like everywhere. So that's good. So let's try this next. So this is the English is really tight to pop, to be honest. Let's see here. It's really tight. Hey, I don't like this. Yeah, I don't like it. Probably 2 or 3 because I don't like that. Yeah, let's see this. If the sound is very good, let's hear the sound. I'm in like one hand, so I'm in like one hand, so it's like not sounding really good, but I promise it sound amazing. I love it. So now next is this. Oh my gosh, I can't remember. Okay, I just removed the ice. Okay, I'm sorry. This is so pouty. Oh my gosh, I hate these. Yeah, 0. This both are this is very. Oh my gosh, the hair. Oh my, this is very sticky and this is super pouty. 0. I'm sorry. So this is some puzzle or something. I know this. Like, I love this, to be honest. Like, I love it. I think 9 because I literally love it. I love it. 10 out of 10 or 9 actually, because I don't know right now how to play with it. So next is this. I am obsessed with this. This is literally so satisfying. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is so satisfying. Oh my gosh, I love it. Probably 8 because like it's just helpful. You can take this anywhere you want. So next is this marsh and marshmallow, and this is the marble mash. Yeah, marble mash. I really like it. You can also take this anywhere you want. So probably 7 because it's just boring kinda, and your hand kinda hurts. So yeah. So the next I'll be saying is, oh my gosh, this is so bad. How to use this, please? If you're like a fidget collector or something, or lover, please tell me how to use this, because I don't know how to use this. Like, I hate this. Like, if you don't know how to play with fidget, it's just super duper boring. Probably 2 or 3 too, because it's not the greatest. Yeah. So the next is pop chip. I love this. Literally, this is so satisfying. Love it. So a 9.9. Yeah, I like it. This is super good. It says it's too much loud. So yeah, that's the only problem. So the next one is the enable, which I love. I can't wait. Like, I love this so much. It's just a ball is coming in my hand, but overall I will recommend buy this. Like, gosh, You can literally see the ball. Oh my gosh. Again, 10 out of 10. I love it. So next is this dimple. Fidget spinner. I can't because I'm holding this. Whee! And then you can pop this. Oh my gosh. Love it. It's just so very cool, and I just love it, you know. 10 of 10 too. And then this, I love it. First I thought this will be like huge, not like huge but big, but it is very tiny, but I like it. No, I'm grateful. This is the good side. I love it. And then the bad side. Love it. The bad side is also very good. I love it. 10 of 10 too. And like probably that's it. And this is also one we got. This more. That's Alpha. Dima got the cupcake puppet, and Alpha got the airship puppet, and this is also the puppet. Oh, this one is big, and we also got the pink and black of that version. This is also kind of broken, but it's okay because it is online and we can't see the online things. I really love this. And basically that's it. And there's a lot of noodles. There's also slime that are not there or showing. So yeah. So I will also showing a montage of these, and yeah, let's drive it into it.